Ako sa mga salahula.
Madamot ako sa pera, okay. Pero sa gamit, no.
At saka sa pagkain, hindi
Yeah.
ako madamot.
Hi guys! So,
Sabay pa tayo intro.
look, is this one is reuse.
Like, is this Tagalog?
This is
Guys!
Okay, you try, yeah. Look, look.
We wash our face.
Yan. One pump.
Gimme.
Uy, ang sabon! Sobra!
Pag na tayo talaga.
Uy, ang sabon! Grabe!
Guys, pasang siyuan.
That is real, right?
Oh, this is
Ano
so
pala
nice.
matipid sa Glad
What's the
to Glow?
title?
It's glad to go.
I
I have this one, skincare, skin prep, and all.
Oh my
So,
God.
bango kami milk.
Okay, I'll buy this later. This one, this is for my,
Sensitive skin.
yeah, and pang-limang ano ko na to. Pang-limang gato ko na to.
Ay, bibili akong Glad to Glow.
Okay, I'll buy this later.
Ay, meron binenta rin black.
Yeah.
Yung black na pa ganun. Nawawala nga sa bahay namin eh.
I have this, but it's for like us, like high school children. We use this because it's milk only.
Yes.
That one is for adult.
Nagpo-promote siya.
Yeah.
Wala ka pa bang ilang minuto nag-cleanse? Ay! Nagsabon lalo! Reset!
You know,
at
glad to glow.
Glad to Glow kaya pala.
Yeah, it's glad to glow. It's white, and my face is too dito. It's too white. My face is so puti. Yeah. I'm enjoying this.
First timer.
Wala, no?
So bula, right? In one pump.
Lumabas sa ilong ko kanina.
Nakita ko yun sa bintana. Ayun o, sa jealousy. Nakita ko.
Nagbabal
In
siya.
one pump. And I use not my
Tapos na kanina pa ako.
my kamay. I use the scrubber. Like that. I have a big pimple over here. So use like use the what?
Hala, ano yun? Basta. Wala.
Dati,
Mahila sa
when I was a kid, like I use Dove for my face.
Dove. Maganda lang.
But my face is too oily when I use that.
Hindi, I use nothing. Ako dali sabon lang.
You use Kojic, right? No, I used
Ma-
to use Dove also. And you know the baby things.
Guys, alam niyo
You look, you're so fresh. You see it.
Totoo ba yan? Thank you so much. Ay, oo nga. Gagayahin mo ako. Ay, oo. Wait lang. I'm glowing.
Ay, yeah, you're glowing. Kaya,
Glad to glow.
glad to glow.
I'm glad to glow.
You don't use anything for your skin. Use,
Fresh na mukha
cleanser.
ko. Okay, first time. Dahil. Wait lang. Tayo ako sa ear mo.
Okay, tapos here one.
I feel like may siya, whitening siya. Hindi ko pumunti yung mukha ko.
Okay, we're done, guys.
Hindi ko pumunti yung mukha ko. May whitening kasi siya.